Hello everyone, welcome to Lestack Edu Software. So for today, I'm going to be taking you through the process of session management. So I'm going to click on the page settings, and under page settings, you'll see session management. Once you come to this section, because it's going to be blank if you're just onboarding for the first time, you click on add new record. The add new record, you see session, current session, you see inactive or active, that if it's active or it's not active. You see this session, going to click 2024, 2025. I'm going to click the session to be active, then I'm going to click on submit. But since the school I'm using for a demo has already uploaded their results and every information pertaining to the school, I won't be able to click on submit, but I can show you how it is from their own end. Let me arrange it serially. I'll show you the particular section that is active for the school. You can see the session active is 2024, 2025, current is showing active. This, mind you, depending on how your school runs, it can be termly or it can be per semester, depending on how your school is tailored or how it's run. So that is all for session management. If there is any question, drop it on the comment section. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next time for more. Bye.